Are you kidding me? Touching a Greenlee glow rod from Home Depot? Not in a million years, dude. Only labor-saving devices. I won't even touch anything else. Hi everybody, I'm Alan from You Do AV. I wanted to show you guys a really cool tool set that I think is pretty essential for anybody who's starting off in this industry, whether you're a regular homeowner who has a lot of work to do around your home, or whether you're a new professional installer who wants to know how to tool up. Before I jump into the demonstration about the toolkit, I've got to give you guys a little background, so this is going to be a little confusing. So I only use products made by a company called Labor Saving Devices. I've been using their products for 15 to 20 years. This is the very first tool set that I ever bought. It has everything. It's got drill bits and gopher poles, and man, this thing has been through war with me. You can see that this has been well loved. Here's the zipper, it's just broken. It doesn't look like this from sitting in a garage. It looks like this because this thing went on every job with me. I love their tools. I only use their tools. It's really important that you understand that Labor Savings Devices, they make the best tools, but they've been tools focused on the custom installer forever. There are some of their tools that are used in the regular market that are not really kind of geared towards custom installers, but like their normal packages and their kits, whatever, those are all geared at custom installers. So Labor Saving Devices reached out to me. They sent me some really cool tools, and they said, hey, what do you think? Are there any tools here that you think could be good for homeowners? And I said, yeah, you guys have a tool set called the Installer's Dozen. I think that's the perfect tool set for homeowners or people getting into the industry. They said, great. They sent me one to demo. They did not give me any money. They sent me one to demo. This is like the professional toolkit. We're not talking about that. We're talking about this one right here. This is called the Installer's Dozen. Fantastic toolkit. It's awesome, super complete for any homeowner, for anybody who's new to the business. This is a fantastic package. Okay guys, we ran into a little bit of a hitch. We love the Installer's Dozen. It's perfect. It's exactly what we wanted. After we shot the video, did the whole install, we told Labor Saving Devices, great, perfect. Give us a link where our viewers can go buy the product, and there's no link. So we didn't know what to do. Long story short, Labor Saving Devices said, well, why don't you guys just carry the product and you guys can sell it straight. In other words, if you guys want to pick up your own Installer's Dozen kit, you're going to actually be getting it straight from us. This is kind of a good and a bad thing because we had no intention of selling any product, but it's also a good thing because you're also helping out the channel. So if you decide to order a kit, you're actually going to be getting it straight from us in this exact box. Here's the kit. You might be getting this exact kit, as a matter of fact. Remember, this is a professional's toolkit, so it's a little pricey. Super high quality, best in the business, highly endorse it. Hopefully you pick one up. It's going to help us out. You guys are going to love it. On with the video. We open up the kit, and this is what we're looking at. Okay, we're going to go through these things real quick. When Labor Saving Devices sent me the kit, they forgot to put a drill bit in mine, so I had to grab one of my own. I'm using a 4-foot 1/2-inch drill bit. Yours does not come with a 4-foot 1/2-inch drill bit. Yours comes with a 3-foot 3/8-inch drill bit, so it's a little shorter, it's a little skinnier. It's a really good tool for installing one wire. You might be able to get 2 wires in a 3/8-inch hole. It's going to be kind of tight. I do recommend, if you guys can, to get the 1/2-inch drill bit. I do like the 1/2-inch drill bit a little bit more. Stud finder, really good stud finder. I like these a lot. It comes with this really cool wire stripper. I like this wire stripper a lot. You just go like this, you put the wire in the side, like that. When I pull the trigger, boom, it just strips it off. And so I went through the outside jacket just like that. And then when you want to strip the wire, take the wire and you just stick it in there, pull the trigger, boom, and it comes off. How cool is that? This right here, dude, this thing is money. I love this thing so much. This is a template that we use to cut single gang, or if you use the whole template, that's a double gang. And you can hold it like this so you can cut left or right, and it's got a level on it. This is the exact size that you need if you're going to do an old work box. Dude, such a money tool. Such a good tool right there. This right here is a drill bit extension. Okay, so you would take your 3/8 drill bit and you can stick it in here, tighten up the Allens, and now the drill bit that comes in here is 3 feet long. When you put this extension on here, it should be 6 feet long. Your 3/8 drill bit that does come with a kit would normally be packed in here. Okay, pretty cool little drywall saw right here. This right here is a tool that I haven't really used. I could see it being handy for somebody. I have an in-wall scope. This is kind of like a peeper. You look through the hole and you can kind of see around corners, look inside of a wall and see around corners. I have an in-wall scope, so I haven't used this, but I can see why that'd be handy for somebody who didn't have the scope. Here's some drill bits, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/4 right here. This, in my opinion, is their best product. Their glow rods. Oh man. Labor Saving Devices makes the best glow rods. Are you kidding me? Touching a Greenlee glow rod from Home Depot? Not in a million years, dude. Only Labor Saving Devices. I won't even touch anything else. Okay, they have these quick release ones that kind of, they go together and they snap together. They go together a lot faster than the twist-on ones. You just kind of put them together like this, and they snap together. These are okay, but I prefer the threaded ones, so I can like take a little screwdriver or something, and I can stick it in there, and it comes apart. So the kit that if you buy the kit from me, I have the threaded ones because that's the kind that I prefer. So that's the kind that I'm providing for you guys. The other part is this. Dude, they have all of these adapters that go on the ends of your glow rods. Like this guy right here. This is kind of a big adapter that goes on the end of your glow rods. This way, as your glow rods are fishing around, they bounce off of obstacles instead of just like hitting obstacles and stopping. So this would be if you're going through an attic, sometimes going through walls, but you know, you would never be able to get this through a hole because it's too big. But if you're going through an open space that had a lot of obstacles in the middle, this would kind of help the glow rod bounce along. Here's a light. This light is not for your glow rods. This light is for your Gopher pole. We'll talk about that in a minute. Here's that tool. This goes on your thumb. This is the tool that you use to release the quick release. Okay, I like this tool a lot. This is called a Z-hook. You can see it's a funky shape. You can see that it's not something that would fit inside of a hole. What this is for grabbing string or wire that's really far away. So if I had string in the corner of an attic and it was just kind of sticking up, if I get the string in this part right here and I pull on it, the string will get stuck, and like the harder I pull, the more it grabs, and it just doesn't let go. It's called a Z-hook. This is really handy. I like these. This is not something you'd use on a wall. This is more something you'd use in an attic or going across grid ceilings or something. Here's an Allen wrench. This is for your extension. Here's a pretty cool little light. Now this light is intended to go on the end of your glow rod, and it's nice and small. So this could fit through a 3/8 inch hole or a 1/2 inch hole. With the idea is that you stick this on your glow rod, and there's sometimes that you have your glow rod in a wall space, and you can't see it. Like if in your attic or something, the glow rod's up in the attic, and it's there right in your face, but you can't see it because it's so dark. So it'd be nice to have a little light, just like that, that lights up on the end of your glow rod. Super nice, super handy. I love the glow rods made by Labor Saving Devices. They're the best in the market, but in 100% of my custom installs, 100% of my custom installs is this tool right here. This is called the Wet Noodle and Retriever. It comes with this extendable hook too. I don't use the hook a ton. I do use it from time to time. How this works, and we're going to use this a lot in all my installations. My goodness, if you guys don't buy this kit, buy this, and all the links are going to be, we'll provide all the links. You will not buy this from me. The kit comes from me, but you can buy this kind of a la carte from other dealers and vendors, whatever. But this is such a good tool. Oh my gosh. This is how we do custom installs, getting wires to and from in really hard to reach places. This is called the Wet Noodle and Retriever. This is the Wet Noodle. It's just a ball chain. It's magnetic. Or sorry, it's not magnetic. This is a magnetic wand, very powerful magnetic bendable wand. And obviously these are just steel balls. Super handy. All my videos, I use this like crazy. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, you'll see me using this like crazy. And we have this guy right here. They call this the Grab It Mini. Now, I have like the Grab It full version, and I don't use it a ton because it's just so big. It's huge. I really like this thing. This is an extendable Gopher pole. It extends up to 10 feet. So you take this guy here, boom, it just keeps telescoping out 10 feet. We're still going, still going, still going. And as you can see, it's threaded on the end, so you can use Labor Savings Devices tools. You just thread them into the end right there. You can put the Z hook on here, the J hook on here. All those different custom tools, you put those on there. You're in your attic, and you've got the wire that's way in the corner and you can't reach it. That's really where this is handy. Or if you're doing like a tile grid ceiling at a school or hospital or something, and you've got to reach way across tiles, boom, you stick that up in the ceiling, extend it out, put the hook on the end, grab the string, grab the wire, and pull it. This is a really good product. Once again, guys, this is the Installer's Dozen. This is such a good, complete kit. This is a perfect kit for those of you guys that are doing it at home, those of you guys that are just starting out. I gotta tell you, it's not cheap. This is a very expensive kit. These are very expensive tools. These are custom tools designed to a custom installer at heart. If you buy this package, you'll be getting it from me. If you get this stuff a la carte, you will not be getting it from me. You'll be getting that from other dealers. If you decide not to get this kit, that's fine. This, like, you need glow rods and you need the wet noodle and retriever. Like, I don't see how you could do any installation without glow rods and a wet noodle and retriever. If you guys click on the description below, you're going to see the first installation where we put this kit to the test. That's the installation where we run the wire from the air conditioner over to the thermostat, making no noticeable wall damage. It was a really legit install, all using everything in here. Thanks a lot, guys. All the links are down below. If there's any videos, any questions, or anything that you want to see that you feel like I haven't covered, please let me know. I'm Alan from UAV. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.